Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The leveler here is only available in the Pro, so we have to change it now. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the Pro, so let's pick it. Here we are, don't be scared about all of these settings. You can stay also on the auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's keep it like that. To turn on the leveler, we have to move up to the center button, just one tap, and we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off, and when we have it turned on, we have the center line. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture, and as you can see, when this line is at orange color, we can be sure that the device is holding steady. And to go back to the standard photo mode, we have to simply tap on X letter here. So here we are, as you can see, we don't have any leveler here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.